Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are talking about this super cute braided wig. So this is the 36-inch full lace braided wig from Brinbea. I'll put the name up above and I also leave a link to the wig in the description box. But baby, this wig is given. So I am a beginner with the baby hair, so don't come for me. Just tag me in a tutorial, okay? Okay. But I'm loving this wig. It is 36 inches, so she's long. The lace is lacing. And I'm absolutely loving it. Like for a second, like a millisecond, I missed my black hair. But the copper is given, baby. But let's get into exactly how I installed this unit, so keep on watching. love how quick and easy it was to install this unit. The braids are absolutely beautiful. The parting is phenomenal. Like, I absolutely am obsessed with this unit. Like, who's sitting up in the shop for 5 to 10 hours to get braids when you could throw on this wig and be braided up in like 30 minutes? Maybe 15, 20 minutes. You get the point. You definitely want to get you one of these units. Quick, easy, throw on and go. Yeah, I mean, what more is there to say? Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.